Throwing away $100 on a plastic box that promises to defy the laws of physics is a frustration nobody needs during a summer heat wave. You have seen the viral ads. They claim a tiny device can chill a massive room in under a minute. They even say it will slash your electric bill by 90%. It sounds like the ultimate life hack. The marketing is incredibly slick. It promises heating, cooling, and dehumidifying all in one package. It says you don't need messy window hoses or professional installation. But here is the catch that the flashy videos don't want you to notice. A real air conditioner is a complex machine. It uses a compressor to move heat from inside your house to the outside. That process requires an exhaust. If there is no hose going out a window, that heat is just staying in your room. When you look at the technical details for this specific device, you realize they are missing. There is no cooling capacity data. There are no official thermal unit ratings. You won't find any independent lab reports proving it can lower the temperature of a 500 square foot space. What you will find are nearly identical units on wholesale websites. They sell for around $10 a piece. Seeing that same hardware sold for 10 times the price under a fancy name should give anyone pause. Sure, companies have overhead costs for branding and shipping, but that is a massive gap in value. The website uses every psychological trick in the book. They use high-pressure countdown timers. These timers reset every time you refresh the page. They claim the stock is almost gone to trigger your fear of missing out. They even show dozens of 5-star reviews that look suspiciously polished. Many of these images look like they were pulled from a stock photo library. They don't look like real customer homes. If you look closely at how these gadgets actually work, you will see they are just small, evaporative coolers. You fill a little tank with water or ice. A fan blows air through a damp filter. This can feel great if the breeze is hitting your skin directly. It speeds up evaporation on your body, but it is not a true air conditioner. It will not lower the actual ambient temperature of a large room. In fact, in humid climates, adding more moisture to the air makes things worse. It can make the room feel more oppressive and sticky. Calling this the top-rated cooling solution in the country is a bold claim. It lacks any factual foundation. It is an aggressive marketing campaign wrapped around a very basic, cheap personal fan. If you just want a desk accessory to keep you slightly cooler while you type, it might be fine. But you should not expect it to replace a real cooling system. It cannot handle the heat of a whole apartment. The disparity between the promised performance and the actual technology is just too wide. Be skeptical of any product that claims to solve a major problem for a tiny fraction of the price. Before you click buy, look for actual specifications. Look for real-world testing from sources that aren't trying to sell you something. A shiny website and a ticking clock are not substitutes for real engineering. Stay informed and protect your wallet from the hype.